So, a complaint that I always hear from people about meal prepping is that, you make too much and the food gets boring. And I kind of want to say, it doesn't always have to be the case, right? One thing that we try to do is, when we cook something, we'll always find different ways to eat it. So, this dish right here, we made it with all vegetables and potatoes. And, it's a pretty healthy vegetarian dish. But so far, we've been able to eat it with plain white rice on the first day. The next day we were craving some fried rice, so we took all of that, took some rice, and fried it up into a delicious fried rice dish. And now we have some paratha laying around, so what I'm gonna do is, take all of it and just make some delicious little paratha wraps. You can eat all of it now, save some for later, but it's a nice little, easy portable type of dish that you can just take with you. And we used to eat paratha wraps all the time as a kid. You can take eggs and throw it in there. It's a little oily and fatty, but man, it is delicious.